Alright everyone, we're here at Gorilla Car Wash, and we're gonna see how well it does. So I'm gonna pause until it's our turn, which is probably gonna be a little bit, because there's quite a lot. Alright, so... Oh, we got the Kong Extreme.
And we've got some...
Bugbuster.
Yeah.
You can see the Gorilla Car Wash logo there.
Yeah, it's awesome.
Okay, so from looking at the top, I see Sonny's equipment.
Wow, she's even gonna scrub. It's
Yeah.
nice of her. Thank you.
Yep, I see Sonny's.
Ooh. What is this?
It's a fusion bath.
Oh, it smells so good.
Oh, dude, it does. It smells like hand soap.
And apple.
Yeah. That fits the gorilla theme.
Delightful.
What's this next? Is this Trifoam?
It says Fusion Prime. Lots of soap.
Yeah. More wraparounds. Triple foam. Top brush.
It's a nice quiet top brush too.
Yeah. Undercarriage wash.
And diffusion wax.
Yeah.
Wow.
Side brushes. Omni. Rinsing. Oh wow, there's fire up there. Look at that. Wow. I'm assuming spot-free rinse?
Yeah.
Sonny's mammoth ends on the side. I've never seen two Sonny's dryers fused like that.
That's awesome. Oh wow, that was amazing. Come on, tell me when to go. Okay. What do you give that?
10 out of 10.
Same here.
Because it also has a grease monkey right next to it.
Well, that's not the reason for a 10 out of 10, but it's
Yeah.
a convenient thing.
I didn't see Trifoam.
Oh, I did.
I didn't see any color though.
Oh, maybe there wasn't any color.
Alright, well, that is the Gorilla Car Wash. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed. That'll be it.